It looks a bit like a UFO. Maybe the communists knew something we don't know. Morning everybody. It's another beautiful day for a ride. I'm in mountains in Bulgaria, prepared for the next day of the ride. Everything's packed up. Gonna start the day off from here. Cool place, just by the forest. It was a bit chilly in the night, so I had to use an extra blanket, but overall it's a very nice place. And the mountains are just over there. Cold start, did well. It should be 26 or 7 degrees Celsius today, but I'm in the mountains, so maybe it won't be so hot. The location of this place is in Kotel. That's a small town here in central part of Bulgaria, and it's outside of the town, so it's a very peaceful place in the middle of the forest. You have to be careful a bit on the sides because there might be big holes in the road, or just parts of the road missing. I was wondering where is all the dropping coming from on the road, and there's black cows over here, more looking like buffaloes. There isn't almost any traffic on this road. Another bunch. Look at her. It does look more like a water buffalo. There aren't any fields around, so do they just walk in the forest? Aren't there any wolves or other predators? What a road. Yeah, you don't need a coffee in the morning. Autumn is coming, plenty of yellow leaves falling down, or I should say better, winter is coming. So many beautiful views over here. If I would like to make some photos, I would be stopping every 10 minutes. Excuse me, can I? Thank you. No. Chill. I think that the mobility scooters are very popular over here. Maybe they do drag racing too on them. 2-in-1. Another one. Another one, and another one, and there's 2 of them. Very noisy. Back in the foresty mountain roads. There's a small river or a stream on the side. and this one is much more crowded. That was close. The road is very narrow, so have to be more careful in the corners, because cars do like to drive in the middle. See a lot of those blueberries on the sides of the road. Are they eatable? If someone knows it, give me an info. Quite a lot of them on the sides of the road, and I've seen yesterday that there were some people collecting them, but do they do some jams or marmalades out of them, or do they sell them and eat them? I haven't got a clue. They do have a lot of those monuments from the socialist time, but they do have also a very beautiful landscape and this kind of view. What a view. It's a bit chilly here in the mountains now, especially when you're under the trees in the shade. There isn't too much sun going in, but what a road. Got a nice view of the valley down below, but that's not our destination for today. We've got 5 more kilometers to go. I can see my destination in between the trees, but I don't know if we're gonna see it from the road. There we go. There we see it. One monument over here, there's the another one. It's a building with a monument, but we have to climb up there. Oh, looks stunning. Well, trying to repair the road, but it doesn't look too good after the repairments. Stunning view from here. Very nice. Hi. I thought the other way will be okay. Hi. This is house and monument of the Bulgarian Communist Party. It was built between 1974 and 1981. It was opened in 1981. It's located on Buzludzha mountain, on the top of it, with a very nice view around. Realistic form of architecture. Main element got 42 meters in diameter. There are 2 stars on the side. Each one of them is 12 meters high. They use 70,000 tons of concrete, 3,000 tons of steel and 4 tons of glass. It reminds me a bit of a building in Poland called Spodek in Katowice, but the one over there is tilted. We've got a stunning panorama over here. It's quite big. There's a road, so all of that concrete have to be moved on that road over here. That's enormous. What a view. Please do not walk off the track. Oh, we tried not to do that. There's another monument of that mountain over there. I thought it was it, but it isn't. I was going all around those mountains and came over here and went up here. What a cool place. And the monument is gigantic. Oh, silent zone. There's no wind in here. Just a few steps this direction. No wind. But the view is really stunning. It looks a bit like a UFO. Maybe the communists knew something we don't know. They did make the barricade for the cars not to go up. Maybe even for the motorcycles, but that's not a problem. I think it's time to go down from the mountain because it's very windy over here. Okay, see you UFO. Okay, let's search for the least potholy track. And there isn't any. You can see it in the mirror. Other monument that I've seen on the way, it's called the Liberty Monument over there on that mountain. Now you can see the one that I saw from up close, and I'm gonna be heading somewhere over there towards that range of the mountains. Another monument. Party did like to put monuments everywhere. Here's something with the colors of Bulgaria. They do really got beautiful mountains here in Bulgaria. And quite wild. That's the third police patrol in distance less than, I don't know, a kilometer. Entering city of Plovdiv for a search of an ATM. And it started to rain a bit. I don't mind it because it's quite hot. Maybe I'll find an ATM over here. Yeah, there it is. Shopping centers usually have some ATMs, so don't have to search in the center of the city, but still there is quite a big traffic over here. Now I know what the police and Bege toll is checking. If you got the vignette on your car, I thought that they're using some speed cameras, but now they're just checking the vignettes. Yeah, we're going into the mountains again, somewhere over there. It's another road into the mountains. There are rail tracks too along the road. Nice looking river canyon. Wow. Not a beautiful road. They do got a lot of them over here in Bulgaria. Wow, stunning views. So cool. There are trucks, but I think it's a narrow gauge too, smaller than the regular ones. There aren't any roads like that near my house. There's a tunnel. Look over there. Wow. If this track would be working with a narrow gauge rail, it would be a massive tourist attraction. Just looking at the sides. That's where the rail was going. Maybe those trucks are in use. They're a bit shiny on the top. Maybe it is active. Nice sign. Pull over to let the traffic go. Don't like the look of those clouds, but they are here. I'm going probably over there. It's cool. I arrived to a city called Valingrad. I'm gonna stay here for the night. Just have to do some grocery shopping. Have to find some shop or market, and then gonna go to the place that I booked. I'm gonna finish it up for today. As you see, Bulgarian mountains are very beautiful, and they do got very beautiful roads over here. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe down below. See you next time.